Student, I welcome you all for today's maths online session. In the last session, we have completed word problems. Today also, we are going to see the word problems related to addition and subtraction. See, the topic is here, which operation? Which operation means first what you have to do, addition or subtraction. On this basis, some problems are there. Let us see. See, question number 1, that is solve the story sums. What should be added to 6418 to get? So what should be added means x should be added to this number so that you will get the answer this. So this is your equation and you have to find out the value of x. To find the value of x, you have to keep x this side and you have to shift this number this side. While shifting this number to this side, its sign will be get changed. So x is equal to, this number is shifted means its signs will be changed. So it will be like this. So what you have to do? Only subtraction. You know that how to do the subtraction. So minus, arrange properly the numbers according to their place value and do subtraction. 3 minus 0 is 3, 8 minus 8 is 0, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 0 minus 6 is not possible. So what you have to take? 1 borrow from neighboring number. So here will be 0. And 10 minus 6 is 4. So your answer is 4103. To get recheck, if you add this number to this number, you will get this answer. Understood? It's a very simple method which you have to remember. See, next question. The sum of two numbers is 16,597 if one number is 9,597. Find the others. Now read the question carefully. The sum of two numbers, if we take the two numbers x plus y, is equal to given 16,597. And if one number is, what is the given one number? If suppose we consider as x as this number, y as it is equal to this number. Understood? Again, what you have to find? Value of y. So y is equal to 16,597 minus, arrange the number properly and do the subtraction. Then 7 minus 7 is 0, 9 minus 9 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0. Again 6 minus 9 is possible? No. Again you have to take borrow. So here will be 16. Then here will be 0. 16 minus 9. Then you can count after 9 till 16, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the answer? 8. So what is your answer? Is 8,000. To get it check, again you have to put the value of this 8,000 here. You will get this answer. Understood? Now let us see question number 3. What should be added to this number to get this number? This question is same as a question number 1. So simply seeing this, you can do very easily. What number should be added? X should be added to this so that you will get the answer 13,000. Got it? Now again you have to find the value of x. So x is equal to, this number is shifted here. So only you have to do the subtraction. So right here, minus 17,526. Now see here, 0 minus 6 is not possible. Here also 0, here also 0. So borrow will be taken from this number. So here will be 10, here will be 9, 9, 9, and here will be 2. Understood? Now 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer is this. And if you want to check your answer is correct or not, again you have to put the value of x in this and you will get the same answer. Understood? Now let us see question number 4. The product of two numbers is 6025. If one number is 25, find the other number. You know that what is mean by product? Product means multiplication. If the product of two numbers, if two numbers are x and y, what is their answer is given? 6025. Then what is the next condition? If the one number is, if we consider x as a 25 multiplied by y is equal to 6025. Again you have to find the value of y. So y is equal to 6025. See student, here the sign is multiplication. So while shifting this that side, it will become division. So you have to divide this number. So how you will do divisions? You know that the table of 25. So I will make here some space for division. (6025) divided by 25. So you know the table of 25. So see here, if in the table of 25, see 6 is there? No. Then small number 0, you can write 0 or directly you have to search for 60. See in table of 25, 60 is there? No. Then small number you have to see, which is a small number? 50. So write here 50. At what number 50 is there? Second. So you have to write here 2. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 5 is 1. Then you have to call 2 downside. Now you have to see 102 is present in table of 25. No. Then which number is there? Small number? 100. So you have to write here 100. At what number 100 is present? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write here 4. Do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you have to call 5 downside. Then in table of 25, 25 is present at one number. So 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So what is your answer? 241. So if one number is 25, your another number is 241. So that the product is 6025. Understood? Now let us see fifth question. By what number should 153 be divided to get 9 as a quotient? Now read it carefully once again. By what number should 153 be divided? If we consider x number will be divided by this number, because we don't know which number we have to divide, so we consider this as a x. And what is the answer given? Is equal to 9. So you have to find the value of x. Now x is here in the position of division. If we shift in that side, it will be multiplication. So 133, this 9 will become here. Here will be x. Then what you have to do? Division. 9 divided by 153. Again you know that the table of 9. Now see, in a table of 9, 15 is there? No. Then which number is there small? 9. 9 ones are 9. Then 5 minus 9 is possible? No. Then you have to take here, borrow. Here will be 0. Then 15 minus 9, you can count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So it will be 6. Then you have to call downside 3. Again you have to see in table of 9, 63 is there. It is there? Yes. 9 sevens are 63. So your answer is x is equal to 17. Understood? So if 153 be divided by 17, the quotient will be 9. Understood? Now let us see the question number 6. that is a number divided by 13 gives the quotient 109. If the number is divided, we don't know the number, so we have to consider this as a x divided by 13. The quotient gives 109. You have to find the value of x. 13 is here divided. If it shifted that side, it will be multiplication. So x is equal to 109 multiplied by 13. You know the multiplication. So do the multiplication. 9 3s are 27. So 7 will be here, 2 will be carry. 3 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2. And 3 ones are 3. Here you have to give 1, 0. Then 1 9s are 9. 1 zeros are 0. 1 ones are 1. Do the addition. Here 7, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 will be here, 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 1 as it is. So your answer is 1417. This is your value of x. So understood, student, which operation you have to do first? It is depending upon the condition, and you have to see properly what you have to do, which number you have to find by division, by multiplication, by subtraction, or by addition. So see student, this exercise, that is exercise 2.5 from your textbook, you have to solve in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.